Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to change the language in Steam. It's pretty simple. And even if you have set a language you don't understand, watching the way can help you to set your language to English again. To do this, I start Steam, click on Steam again at the top and then on Settings. Here I go to the Interface tab. And there I can change the language in the first drop-down menu. I will test this now with German, because it is a language I will understand after the change, and then I press OK. For the change to become active, I now have to restart Steam, and then we are done. And as you can see, my language is now changed to German. I hope you liked the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.